Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable location on Snapchat. Social media app Snapchat has millions of active users who go onto the platform every day to share images, messages, and stories with their friends and to view the range of content available. The app also has a feature called Snap Maps, which, as the name suggests, allows users to see where their friends are located using their icons on a map. While this can be a useful feature for some, understandably, you may not want all or any of your contacts to have access to your location. If you want to turn off your location on Snapchat, here's how to do it. Turning your location off on Snapchat is an easy task, and you are able to decide whether you turn it off for all users or keep it turned on for a select few. Simply to do it, on Snapchat, click on your profile in the top left, then the gear icon to go to your settings. Scroll down to Privacy Controls and click on See My Location. Then, tap the slider next to Ghost Mode to switch it on. When this is enabled, your contacts won't be able to see your locations, and your ghost trial will be cleared. If you want some people to still be able to see your location, click on Only These Friends and select the people you want to include. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.